So I'm gonna go ahead and this morning, as I'm drinking my second cup of coffee, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna unbox a couple of packages that I did receive, and I wanted to share with you guys. So number one is going to be a dog raincoat. I got this package and I didn't really order anything. This is actually because they messed my order, previous order that I went ahead and I ordered from Rare Beauty. I hear that it's really good. I saw this lady on YouTube that she compared it with the Benefit brow. That's the one I actually go ahead and use for my brows. It works really well. I've been using it for many years. But she compared the Benefit brow gel with this Rare Beauty brow gel, and she actually went ahead and liked the Rare Beauty better. These are the 3 products that I got, and I did not order this, so they are free. So 2 of them are blush. This is in Nearly Mauve, and then this is in Nearly Rose. Nearly Rose, Nearly Mauve. They are liquid blushes, they're pretty. They are so pretty. I do use them. I do like the consistency, and my battery is dead almost. And then this one I love. Both of them I enjoy. You can build them up. They are stunning. Not complaining, but that's not exactly what I ordered. And this highlighter, beautiful. I wear it all the single time. You only need a little bit. And then before my battery dies, this is Macy's Beauty Box. I get this every month. I think it's worth it because this is actually $15 a month, but you get travel sizes. You don't get full sizes, which for me it's perfect. That difference. Wow. Usually get like 2 samples of perfume. It could be like perfume and a cologne. 1 perfume, 1 cologne. So here I got John Paul sample perfume, and this is how it looks. It smells good. I'm gonna keep it. If it doesn't, I'm gonna give it away to my daughter. It smells divine. Yeah, that's pretty much it. My battery is literally like 1%. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you go, and I'll talk to you guys later. Good morning, everyone. So I am on my way over to the groceries.
Please fasten driver's seatbelt.
Hold on. Good morning, everyone. I am feeling a lot better today. I'm so happy. So my plans originally was I was going to go ahead and make pizza dough today, but then my son called me, and he last minute, these kids telling you, last minute he wants me to make him, well, he asked me if I can make him some homemade chocolate chip cookies for the volleyball girls. He's leaving to Washington. He's a coach. He just thought, you know, bringing them a little treat for them. So that's what we are gonna do now. We are going to go to the groceries, get all of the ingredients so I can actually go ahead and make them as soon as I get home, because he's leaving today in the afternoon for Washington. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. I have my debit card. Oh, yes, I do. chocolate chips. I got some light brown sugar. This is actually for me. This is oat flour for my homemade protein pancakes, along with my syrup because I completely ran out of it. And then I got 2 packs of butter. I'm not going to use all of it, but it's better to have more. And then I got vanilla. And again, this is for my protein pancakes. And then the eggs, I already went ahead and I placed them here. The recipe for the chocolate chip cookies is really simple. I'll definitely go ahead and show you guys. I didn't buy any flour, baking soda, baking powder, cornstarch, because I already have those ingredients in here, and sugar. But I believe that's pretty much it. Very simple. Anybody can do them, and it's so delicious. But the secret is here, how I actually do the butter. Stay tuned. We're gonna brown our butter. We have to constantly keep swirling, okay, with the spatula. Okay, so now the butter, as you can see, it's bubbling up and it's foaming. This is a good sign, and you're gonna hear a pop. Now, once this noise of popping slows down and we notice the sugar turning brown, then that's when it's almost to the ending point. So you're gonna see different faces. So right now there's no foam and the popping is slowing down. This is where you're going to like smell a nutty aroma, and you're going to see the change from yellow to like a brown color. See, it's turning now brown. I'm gonna pour it here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wait until this completely cools, and then we can go ahead and make the cookies.
5 hours later.
Okay, so now that the brown butter has cooled down, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the sugars, the white sugar and then the light brown sugar. We're gonna have 1 cup of light or dark brown sugar. We need 2/3 of a cup of white sugar. Now the eggs have to be room temperature. You need 2 of these. And then 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract.